Hi everyone, today we will make mini crochet rows. This rows we can use in any hair accessory like in crepe, gajra and clothing like a charm. For this we will use 4 ply cotton yarn, hook 1.50 mm, needle, scissor and glue. Let's start. I am using 4 ply cotton yarn. I'll add the description of yarn in description and 1.50 mm hook size. So to start it, I'll make a slip knot. After slip knot, I'll be making 22 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, I will make 22 chains. Now I have completed 22 chains. Now what we will do, we will skip the first third 3 chains. I'll show you. We will skip 1, 2, 3, these 3, and in the 4th chain we will make double crochet. So if I again tell you, we will skip 3 chains and in the 4th one we will make 3 double crochet. 1 double crochet, again 1 more double crochet in the same chain, and 1 more double crochet in the same chain. So there will be total 3 double crochet in the same 4th chain. Now we will make 1 chain and we will skip 1 chain here. This one we will skip, and in the another one we will make 3 double crochet. Again 1, in the same 1 more, one more in the same. So 3 double crochet in this next. Now we will make 1 more chain here, and now again we will skip 1 chain, and in the next we will repeat this step. Again 3 double crochet I am making in the same stitch like the older ones. The same way we will complete our full row. The same way I'm showing it one more time so that it will be clear. Skipping one and making 3 double crochet in another chain. I'm showing it again so that it's more clear to you. So we will complete the same way a full row. The same way I will complete this row and will show you. I have completed this row with the same pattern I taught you earlier. Now we will make the next row. To make the next row we will make 2 chain, 1, 2 and turn, and now in the next stitch we will make double crochet, and in next stitch we will make 2 double crochet. In the next one you will see 2 double crochet we will make, 1, and making the same one in same stitch. So in the same stitch we will be having 2 double crochet. Now in the next stitch we will make 1 double crochet, now we will make 2 chain, and then slip stitch in the next, in the same stitch. In the same we will make the slip stitch. This way our petal is completed. Now we will make next petal. For this we will make 2 chain, and then in next stitch we will make double crochet. Now in the next 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 and 2 second one will be in the same stitch. Now in the next stitch one double crochet in the next stitch, and now 2 chain, and in the same stitch we will make the slip stitch to close the petal. Now you can see our 2 petals are completed. The same way we need to complete the row. I'll show you again by making the third petal. Third petal will be completed like the same other two we have done, making the 2 chain, and then in the next we will make double crochet in the next 2 double crochet. You can see to make the round petal we need to increase double crochet and then decrease double crochet. This way we are making this shape. So the same way in the next one I'm making again 2 double crochet. Same thing you need to repeat. You can see I'm showing it one more time to you. You can see that. Now you can see our rose is ready. Now it's time to join the lace. So let's cut the yarn first. You can see the front side of this lace. We will make round from this front side. This way we will round. Once we will do complete round, we will join with the help of a needle. You can see how I'm joining. This way I will attach my rows. Now you can use this row in many projects. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel and do like the video. Thank you so much, and let me know in comments if you need something else in the tutorial. Thank you.